Hello everyone. In this video I want to show you how to solve a common problem that many of us have experienced when trying to access the virtual desktop. So we have already downloaded a client, either a Mac client or Windows client, and when we try to access the virtual desktop through clicking on the client, a following window appears. And when we click to new server, it asks us to enter the name of the connection server. So at this point we cannot access the virtual desktop, but the good news is that when we adjust the settings once, after that it will not appear again. So for this moment, let's minimize this window or close, and let's go to vdi.msu.edu website. So here we enter our login and password. So in this platform we can see that we have three icons: College of Education, MSU Lab, Stata, and the server that we need is MSU Lab. But when I click on this, problem occurs. It does not allow me to go directly. To save our preference that you want to access the virtual desktop through the client, let's go to your initials on right top corner and then go to account. On this page, let's scroll down and tick Horizon Client tab, not the browser. By default it's on the browser, but let's go to the Horizon Client. So after this you will be able to access virtual desktop through the client directly without going to this website. So let's try. Let's go to the previous page. It is an apps page, and scroll down to MSU Lab. So this time it will ask you for the permission to use Horizon Client. Let's say yes, and automatically Horizon Client gets you directly to MSU Virtual Desktop. So this was the first trial. Let's check if this would work when we go the second time. Let's log out, sign out, close all the browsers, and let's click on the client again. Well, this time we have another tab, and when we click this tab, it asks us to enter the username, the password, and it directly gets us to the virtual desktop. So I accessed the virtual desktop at this time without going to vdi.msu.edu server, and I think it's much more convenient. Well, thanks for your attention. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.